Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify AWS IAM policy simulations for least privilege, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify AWS IAM policy simulations for least privilege, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the IAM service from the console. On the left sidebar, click on Policy Simulator. In the Policy Simulator, choose the permissions you want to simulate by selecting the applicable policies. If your user or role has multiple policies, you can review and select them as needed. Next, define the actions you want to simulate. You can either search for specific actions or browse through the categories. After selecting the actions, choose the resources that you want to test against. Add any conditions relevant to the actions and resources, if necessary. Once all selections are made, click on the Simulate button to run the simulation. Review the results displayed, which will indicate whether the permissions are allowed or denied. Take note of any denied permissions, as they may indicate areas where least privilege is not maintained. If adjustments are needed, return to the IAM policies and modify them accordingly. Repeat the simulation process as necessary to validate your changes. Ensure that the final IAM policies adhere to the principle of least privilege. Document your findings and maintain a record of simulations for future reference. Regularly revisit and update your IAM policies to adapt to any changes in your organization's requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.